Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can choose the avatars on the Vidnoz AI website and how you can use them, how you can edit them. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the avatar section. And after going to the avatar section, as you can see, you will be able to see public. These are the 1165 avatars. Now you have to choose that which avatar you want. As you can see, you will be able to see the different types of a lot of avatars here. For example, I'm going to choose a female one. So we have to choose that which one you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, we have the options like which one you want. German, you have to choose the language. For example, I want in the Italian. So here's the option for the create video with this avatar. We have to choose the ratio here. For example, I'm going to choose the portrait here. So we have to click on this and we will be redirected to the editing mode. So let's click on this and we have to wait for a few seconds. It's up to your internet speed. If it will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see now the avatar is here. Now you have to adjust this as per your need. And after doing that, if you want to add any kind of other thing, you can also do that. These all options are provided here, like the text, shape, background, sticker, and whatever you want. And then you have to write your script here. And after that, you can control everything here. And then you have to hit the generate. And after clicking on the generate, your video will be exported. So in this way, you can choose the avatar on the Vidnoz website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can use the avatars on the Vidnoz website. So see you guys in the next video.